Hello aspirants, I welcome you all to your own channel Uniform Forces. Today we are going to do the most important chapters of science. So if you feel that you don't have much time available with you, then you make sure that you do at least these chapters. Okay, these are very important for the examination. And if you want to go through the syllabus or how to prepare for science, then you can watch my video through the I button. Okay, let's begin this video. So first of all, uh, only two books will be required. Okay, so this is 9th class NCERT and then 10th class NCERT. So from the 9th class NCERT, let me tell you the chapter's name. Chapter number 1, this is matter in our surroundings. Then chapter number 2, this is matter around us pure? Then chapter number 5, it is the fundamental unit of life. Then chapter number 6, which is tissues. Then chapter number 7 is important, but see, it's given in very like detailed manner, and I don't think that it will be an easy task for you to remember those details. Okay, so in my point of view, I think you should skip that. After that, chapter number 10. So 10 is about the gravitation, and then chapter number 12, which is most important, this is sound. So these are chapters from the 9th NCERT. Now let me come to the 10th NCERT, 10th class NCERTs. So first it is chapter number 2. So let me tell you the chapter name and what is important in that. So chapter number 2 is about acid, bases and salts. Okay, in this also you need to do 2.4 part of this. So 2.4 is the 2.4 is more about salts. So in this, there are some important ones like the sodium hydroxide and baking soda, like how it is made, how it is prepared, what is its formula, then washing soda, use of it, bleaching powder. Okay, so these become important. So you need to make sure that you don't skip 2.4 part of this. Then one more thing I want to tell you is that reactions, there are a lot of reactions, and it will be a really difficult task, and I think not useful as well for students who are from non-science background. So I'll say just skip those equations, they are not important. Only a few are important, like I said, in the reaction of the baking powder, then washing soda. So only those much are important. You just do them, and rest you can skip. Okay. After this, there is chapter number 3. So chapter 3 is metals and non-metals. Okay, so in this also 3.4 is important. So let me tell you what is 3.4. 3.4 is occurrence of metals. Okay, so in this, there is an activity reactivity series. So you can learn that. You can learn that thing, and then like things like corrosion, then electrolytic refining, then prevention of corrosion, what steps can be taken. So these are important in the rate. So 3.4 point is important. After this, you do chapter 4. Chapter 4 is carbon and its compound. So under this as well, there is point 4.4, which is very important, very important. So let me tell you, this is 4.4 is the properties of ethanol, some important carbon compounds like ethanol and ethanoic acid. So the reactions, you will see the reaction and how it is prepared, then the properties of the ethanoic acid, okay, the reactions with various other compounds, and later on there are soaps and detergents, what is Michel, for how it is formed. So you need to remember that. Okay, so that is under chapter 4, under the point 4.4. After this, there is chapter number 6. It is life processes, again important. Biology becomes very important as far as the CAPF exam is concerned. After that, chapter number 7 is control and coordination. Then chapter 8 is how do organisms reproduce. Chapter 10, so under 10 there is light, reflection and refraction. Again, it is very important, lot of questions are asked in the examination. So in this, you need to make sure that you understand the uses of different kind of lens and mirrors, like convex and concave. Okay, then the formulas, their formula like 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f, all those formulas. And then the refraction part is also important. Okay, but I would say that don't go in that image formation part where it is shown that when the object is put at certain distance from the mirror or lens, the image will be so and so formed. So that is not important. Don't like waste your time in those things. That is not required, and neither it is asked in the examination as well. After that, it is chapter number 11. So chapter 11 is human eye and colorful world. Again, it is very important. And then chapter number 12 is electricity. So under electricity, you do like what is Ohm's law, then about the resistance, like under series and under parallel combination, how we can calculate the total net resistance. So you do that. Okay, after that it is chapter number 13. Chapter number 13 is magnetic effects of electric current. So under this, laws are given like electromagnetic induction, and then about how motor works. Then different laws are given over there. Okay, like Faraday's laws, right hand thumb rule, left hand. So you do that. That is also asked in the examination. So I think I have told you all the very important chapters which you cannot afford skipping for the CAPF AC examination. Okay. So if you don't have NCERTs, like you don't have the hard copy, then you can download it. And the ways are like, first way is from the Google itself. You can type ncert.nic.in. Let me tell you how it is done. So first you need to type ncert.nic.in. Okay. Then as you can see on the NCERT page, there are 4 boxes given. So first is syllabus, then right to it, this is textbook written. Click on this textbook square box. Okay, now you will see again 4 boxes. One is syllabus and next is ebooks. Click on this ebooks part. Then you will see there is a list, like list of publication, below it e-publication, flipbook. Then 4th is PDF, and 1 to 12 is written adjacent to it. So you click on this PDF. Okay, now you can see on the top it is written textbook PDF 1 to 11th, and there are 4 boxes in which it is written select class, select book title, and select subject. So you will select class first. So for example, I click here on the select class and I select class 12th. Okay, then I select the subject. So suppose I select biology. Okay, then select book title. So again I click on it and I select biology. So okay, and then I click on the go button. As you can see, this is the cover page of 12th class biology NCERT. Now left to it there are different chapters, chapter 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, suppose I select on chapter number 13. Okay, so what I have to do is I have to just click on the open, which is written adjacent to chapter 13. So I click here. As you can see in the center there is open written, so you click on the open button. So what will happen is you can see that the file is now being downloaded. Okay, this is 7.67 MB PDF. So now let me show you this PDF. As you can see, this is chapter, okay, sorry, I downloaded chapter 14. So this is chapter 14, ecosystem. So this is the NCERT. Okay, now you can read through it. So I hope I am clear to you. After that, you can also go to Telegram, and in Telegram you have to just search for NCERT PDFs. Okay, so when you will enter this, you will find different channels. So just click on the channel which is on topmost, and over there you will find like all the NCERTs available. Okay, third method is you just join my channel of Uniform Forces on Telegram. The link is given in the description. Okay, you can join that channel and you can ask me for different NCERTs, and many fellow aspirants have actually uploaded different NCERT PDFs over there, so you can check from that as well. Okay, so I hope I am clear to you in this video, and if you have any doubts regarding this, then you can ask me in the comment box. Okay, if you are liking the video, definitely you can share it among your friends and you can subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.